Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a KuCoin account. First, navigate to the KuCoin website or open the app. You'll need either an email address or a phone number to begin. Enter your chosen contact method and create a secure password. Make sure your password is robust, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. This initial step is quick, taking less than 1 minute to complete. After entering your details, you will receive a 6-digit verification code via email or SMS. Input this code to confirm your account. For enhanced security, immediately enable two-factor authentication, preferably using Google Authenticator. While not always mandatory for basic trading, completing identity verification, also known as KYC, unlocks higher withdrawal limits and access to all platform features, which is highly recommended for serious traders. With your account secured, it's time to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from an external wallet by generating a unique deposit address for your chosen asset. Alternatively, purchase crypto using fiat currency through integrated third-party payment providers, offering several payment methods. KuCoin also supports peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading, allowing you to buy digital assets directly from other users. This flexibility ensures you have multiple options to get started with your trading journey. Now you're ready to trade. Head to the trading interface and choose your preferred cryptocurrency pair. Familiarize yourself with various order types, including limit orders for specific prices, market orders for instant execution, and stop-limit orders for risk management. KuCoin offers a wide array of features beyond spot trading, such as futures trading, staking for passive income, and lending services. Take your time to explore these options and maximize your crypto experience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.